Let's start this new year off with a money challenge, an experiment, if you will. And in this money experiment, you are going to see results within the next 48 hours. Not a week, not a month, 48 hours, you are going to see proof that this actually works. And the best part is that you are going to start seeing money show up in your life in ways that are going to make you laugh, in ways that are going to surprise you, and in ways that are going to prove beyond any doubt that your brain is far more powerful than you've been giving it credit for. And this experiment is super easy. All you have to do is say one sentence 9 times a day for the next 48 hours. That is it. It shouldn't take you more than 3 minutes. But here's the key. You can't just say these words like you're reading a grocery list or like I'm telling you to say them. You have to say this with an almost comical, obvious, of course type of energy. Almost like you're stating the most obvious thing in the world. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. But really quickly, if you're new here, I'm Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach and manifesting expert focused on getting you transformational results. Here on my channel, I pride myself in making manifestation make sense without all of the unnecessary confusion. I post brand new videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and also hit that bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you are ready to try this experiment, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button below and we will get right into it. So I'm gonna get straight to the affirmation that you're gonna say for the next 48 hours. Here it is. The affirmation is, no matter what I do, money just shows up for me in fun and unexpected ways. So again, the affirmation is, no matter what I do, money just shows up for me in such fun and unexpected ways. And I want you to notice something about this affirmation. Do you see how I made it feel natural and obvious instead of just a robotic thing I'm saying just to say? Because it's not about the words, it's about the meaning you attach to the words and the feeling it gives you. That's what's gonna get you the results. I want you to say this with an obvious certainty where you fully expect it. It's just what's true for you. This affirmation doesn't say, I'm trying to manifest money. And it doesn't say like, I hope money comes to me, or I'm working really hard to attract money. No. It says it's almost like no matter what I do, money just keeps showing up for me. It's stated as a fact, as something already true. Think about a pattern you have in your life where you're like, oh, that just always happens for me. Say it like that in this obvious type of way, because that's what's going to make this really, really, really effective. Because that, of course, obvious energy is everything. When you say this affirmation with that kind of energy, your brain doesn't even start questioning it. Your brain goes to work and says, oh, okay, this is how things are for us. Got it. And then this specific part in your brain called the reticular activating system actually gets to work finding evidence and showing you that it's true. Your reticular activating system is so powerful. It basically acts as a filter because you are being hit with millions of pieces of information every single second. And your reticular activating system decides what you actually notice and what gets filtered out. Kind of like how when you're in a crowded, loud room, there's millions of conversations going on around you, but you hear the person you're talking to. Your reticular activating system is at work pulling your focus towards what's important. So right now, if you've been having this kind of default thought of money is hard, or I never have enough, or money just doesn't ever show up, or I'm not rich enough for that, your reticular activating system has been filtering your whole reality to show you evidence of exactly what you're telling it. You start noticing every bill, every expense, every time you can't afford something. You start looking at prices with fear. But when you filter out that money doesn't show up, you filter out opportunities and unexpected bonuses and refunds and gifts and all the ways money is actually trying to show up for you. It's basically responding to you. But when you start telling your reticular activating system, no matter what I do, money just shows up for me in fun and unexpected ways, it goes, oh, okay, let me work to show you evidence of that. And then suddenly you're gonna start noticing money everywhere. Maybe you find money in a pocket while doing laundry. Maybe you get a surprise refund or someone Venmos you for something from months ago. Maybe you get a client that pays in full early, or you get some type of discount you weren't expecting. It might even be someone buying you a coffee or winning a small contest or a giveaway. The money was always there. The opportunities were always there. But now you're actually open to them and seeing them because you've programmed your reticular activating system to look for them. And let me tell you why this specific affirmation is so powerful. So first off, it says, no matter what I do. So this immediately takes the pressure off. You're not saying, if I do everything perfectly, then money will come. You're saying it shows up regardless. It's inevitable. It's like no matter what you do, this just keeps happening. It's just how things work for you, just how you could say that about anything else in your life. Second, it says money just shows up. Money does not equal work. You're not equating money with anything specific. Money just is. Like it's the most natural, easy, obvious thing in the world. It just shows up. How it shows up doesn't matter. And third, it says in such fun and unexpected ways. This right here opens you up to receive money from sources that you maybe haven't even thought of yet. It lets you have a little surprise. And that word fun is important because it shifts your energy from stress or desperation or any of like the bad ways it could show up, and instead makes it playful and curious. You're having fun with this. You're not gripping. You're not forcing. You're allowing. And that's when the real magic happens. So here is exactly what you're going to do for the next 48 hours. It shouldn't take more than 3 minutes at all. So you are going to say this affirmation 9 times per day. 3 times in the morning, 3 times in the afternoon, 3 times in the evening. You are done. And you're only doing this for 2 days. And if it feels good, which it probably will, you can keep going. But this is the most important part. Please don't just say the words because I told you to say the words and you're trying to do a manifesting technique. I want you to feel it. I want you to feel it with this deep, of course this is true, like an obvious certainty. Think about if I were to ask you something that keeps happening in your life, maybe even something you're frustrated with, how would you explain that to me? I always have unexpected bills show up, things like that, things you already believe to be true. Like if I were giving you an obvious fact right now, I could say, yes, I have blonde hair. Like that is obvious. Yes, I'm wearing a black and white dress. That is obvious. Say it in the same way. No matter what I do, money just keeps showing up for me in such fun and unexpected ways. There's no question, there's no hoping, there's no doubt, there's no neutrality. It's just what's true. Make it so obvious that it's almost funny. Like, of course, like that's just what happens for me. Like, do you ever have those friends that are just lucky or like silly things happen to them? Oh, that's just how it is for them. That's just how it is for you. That's the energy. And when you say it with that energy, something feels lighter in your body. You can feel it. It's almost like your nervous system finally relaxes and your brain goes, oh, okay, we're safe. Money is just this neutral resource that just always shows up for us. So again, you're going to say it 3 times as soon as you wake up, before you check your phone, before you get in your head about the day, 3 times in the afternoon, 3 times before bed. And most importantly, let yourself feel good about it. Let it feel true. Give yourself 48 hours to suspend all of the stuff going on in your current life and choose to buy into and believe something new just for 48 hours. You have nothing to lose. It will change your life if you really commit to it. And then go about your day, but pay attention. Notice what shows up. Notice opportunities. Notice ideas. Notice when someone mentions money. Notice how you feel about money. Because your reticular activating system is going to go to work immediately. And you are going to start noticing money, and I mean everywhere, on the ground, in ads, in conversations, in opportunities. Money flowing to you in so many different fun and unexpected ways. Because your reticular activating system is going to start highlighting money for you. Because you told it that's what matters, and it's going to filter for that. And this money doesn't have to be huge money. It could be small, but something. A refund you forgot about, someone paying you back, or a surprise discount, maybe even a gift card you forgot you had. Something is going to show up that proves that this affirmation is working. Your reticular activating system doesn't just show you the money, it shows you the path to money. And let me tell you, most of all, even if it's just 48 hours, you're going to feel differently. There's this shift in your energy where you start to actually believe that money is easy for you. And this is likely a feeling you haven't felt often in life. And that right there is the real magic because it expands. It starts happening more consistently the more you step into it. Don't let this have any desperation to it. It's an experiment. Let it be fun. Be confident and playful and just be in the this is how things are for me energy. Don't fake it. Don't force it. But say it until it feels true. And then actually be on the lookout for money showing up. And to make it even more fun, I want you to keep a running list on your phone or on a piece of paper for every single time money shows up or enters your awareness for the next 48 hours. Write down the date, the time, what happened, if you received money, how it showed up. And at the end of 48 hours, I want you to look at that list. And I'm willing to bet it's more money than you thought was going to be there. And that list is proof. That right there is evidence that your reticular activating system is so unbelievably powerful. And when you program your brain intentionally, your whole reality shifts. Once you have this proof, everything changes. Because now you have a deeper knowing of how this works, and you now know that you have control over what you notice and what shows up in your life. And the best part is that if it works for money, it works for everything else too. I'm telling you, this is going to blow your mind. Comment below if you're trying it, and in 48 hours, I want you to come back and I want you to comment what showed up for you. I want to hear about every single thing, no matter how big or small, and I will celebrate you. This is proof that you are changing your reality with your thoughts. And that's honestly the most powerful thing you can learn. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me over on Instagram and TikTok and Threads at MK Magic Mindset. And if you want to learn more about me, my programs, how to work with me, and more, you can visit my website at mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.